If you use Namecheap, this video is going to show you the simplest way to protect your account from being hacked. A domain account can be a major target because it controls your websites, emails, and sometimes even your business identity. So in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the exact security steps you should turn on right now to make your Namecheap account much safer. And before we get started, if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and security tutorials. It really helps the channel and it helps more people protect their accounts too. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Namecheap account as you normally would. Once you're signed in, look for your account profile area. From there, go to Profile, then click Security. This is the main section where Namecheap keeps the settings that help protect your account from unauthorized access. The very first thing you want to do is enable two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA. Under the Access section, turn it on. Namecheap supports a few different 2FA methods, including TOTP Authenticator apps and U2FA, FIDO or WebAuthn security keys. The easiest option for most people is an Authenticator app on your phone, but if you want even stronger protection, a physical security key is an excellent choice. Once you enable 2FA, follow the setup steps carefully. If you're using an Authenticator app, scan the QR code, then enter the verification code that the app generates. If you're using a security key, follow the prompts to register the key to your account. The important thing here is to make sure your second layer of protection is active before you move on. Next, save your 2FA backup codes somewhere safe. This step is extremely important. Backup codes are your emergency way back into the account if you lose your phone or can't access your Authenticator app. Store them in a secure place, like a password manager, or an offline location that only you can access. Do not leave them in an email, a notes app without protection, or anywhere that could be easily found by someone else. Now let's talk about your password. If you want to keep your Namecheap account from being hacked, you need a strong, unique password. That means a password you have never used anywhere else. Do not recycle all passwords, and do not use something simple that can be guessed. A good password should be long, difficult to predict, and completely different from the passwords you use on other websites. If one site gets compromised, reused passwords are often how attackers get into everything else. After that, go back to Profile, then Security, and look for security alerts. Turn them on. Security alerts can notify you about important account activity, so if someone tries to access your account or make changes, you'll have a better chance of catching it quickly. The faster you know something is wrong, the faster you can respond. And here's one of the most important rules of all. Never give your Namecheap password, your 2FA codes, or your backup codes to anyone. Not to support, not to a friend, not to someone claiming they need to verify your account, and not to anyone contacting you by email, chat, or social media. Legitimate companies will not ask for your 2FA codes or backup codes. If someone asks for them, treat it as a scam. A good habit is to assume that any unexpected message asking for login help, verification, or account recovery could be suspicious. Always double-check the sender. Always log in through the official Namecheap website yourself, and never click blindly on links that try to rush you into entering sensitive information. So, to quickly recap, the best way to protect your Namecheap account is to log in, open Profile and Security, enable 2FA, save your backup code securely, use a strong unique password, turn on security alerts, and never share your login or recovery details with anyone. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And if you want, I can also make a step-by-step video on how to set up the strongest 2FA method for Namecheap using an Authenticator app or a security key. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.